this moment, I knew it would come. Oh, rape her. And going to threaten those men and saying, and it's not defamation because I've got proof.
No.
It's not defamation. I can prove all these things. Wahamba, wayoti bamripile, ekbeni she was having affairs with these people. Nandipha was flying to Dubai with certain men. You guys can guess, you guys can think. She was flying to Dubai, nalamadota lawa, left, right, and center. Indoda yakhe is an alcoholic. Angazi ukuthi ungene kwi-alcoholism because of ushade idimoni. But she is a very vile woman. Everybody stop making excuses for her. She's a willing participant. She's been waiting for an opportunity in life. It's not defamation. I repeat, it's not defamation because I've got the information. I've got facts to back it up. Ongeza gimozothi he na unamanga keeper. I've got screenshots. I've got voice recordings. This woman is vile, guys. She's a willing participant. Nandipha can kill you if you are in her way. Singthule, before I start implicating people. Nisazozibona indaba ngalo muntu lona. Yay.
Sorry, can I say something? Like if you have like information when I ask you Caesar, why are you then not coming? Why are you not anonymously leaking the information?
Because they would know it's me. I've got a son to protect. I've got a child to protect. And I've been waiting for this moment. I knew it would come. This story, guys, they've been working on this story since 2021. It was supposed to be released back in 2021.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. Now that was Dr. Nandipha's former best friend saying that she has files on the good doctor for days. She said that Dr. Nandipha Magutumana is not a saint in this Ataba Besta saga at all. She says that Dr. Nandipha is capable of murder and she can kill you if you stand in her way, you guys. The friend further went on to expose Dr. Nandipha and said that she has been going around sleeping with multiple men while she was still married to her husband, Dr. Mkuseli Magutumana. At some point, she lied that she was arred by one of the men that she was dating. The best friend, the alleged best friend, also said that Dr. Nandipha's husband is now an alcoholic, all because of Dr. Nandipha's doings. You guys, now there you have it. Please engage with me in the comment section below. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. I'll definitely see you in the next upload, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.